Well, hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. Designed by Kathy. For those of you here in the U.S., happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you're getting to have a happy Thanksgiving. I know there's a lot going on around the country. Hey, and if you're somewhere else, I just hope you're having a happy day. Anyway, I wanted to do a pour today that is, let's just say, let's go for simple elegance. I know that I've seen a lot of you that are really frustrated. This turned out to be a very simple technique, but it just looks so good. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy this. Let me know. Don't forget some thumbs up. And hey, if you're watching the Tuesday tips, I really appreciate your comments. And if you've got something that something of concern, we can either do a test, we can address it, we can discuss it. So be sure and pop it in down below. Hey, and don't forget to check all the links below. And don't forget the new Facebook group. Still waiting on you guys to pop over there and let's start some discussions. But right now, let's get to pouring some paint. Okay, so this is going to basically be the last one in this swipe series. Not that I won't swipe some more, but this will be the last one in this little series, and we'll play around with some other things. This is Peacock Teal. This is just the Peacock Teal. This one I had white. I wanted a shade lighter than this one, so I just added white to that. And then I've got brown, which is burnt, well, this is burnt umber. And of course I have some white because we need a little contrasting stuff going on there. So what I'm going to do is paint this lower part in the brown. Like so. So, if you're watching this on a release date on Thanksgiving, you are either about to have Thanksgiving lunch, or you've already had it and you're full and you want to just sit back and relax. Or you're in a place that is still totally on lockdown, and not that, one year when we were living in California, we didn't know anybody, and we planned to come home for Christmas, so we weren't going to be flying back to Texas in November. So we made turkey sandwiches and got on our boat and had Thanksgiving out on the ocean. It was awesome. Yeah. Pretty awesome. So, whatever you're doing today, I hope that I hope you're in good health. It seems like now the virus has started found its way to the, I guess what you'd say, the non-at-risk group. I know a lot of people personally right now that have been sick. They're mending, which is grateful for that, and but they don't fit in that range of what they were initially saying was the at-risk group. So I don't know. Apparently, this virus doesn't have any kind of hesitation, and it's not picky. But I hope you're healthy wherever you are, and I hope you get to have turkey or whatever you do for your particular Thanksgiving. Okay, so here goes. If this works like I hope it does, it's actually not a very difficult pour to do, but can look very elegant, very, very, very elegant, very pretty. So let's just see. I've got, I'm going to have way too much paint here, but let's just go with it and see what we get. And I'm going to swipe on the same angle. I like these colors together. They just do something for me. I don't know. I like them. think I'm going to pull down a little more here. The little brown. I still see something in there. I hate when that happens, and I also hate when I got little dribbies going on here. Ooh, very simple, but in my opinion, just simple elegance. I like it. Let's see if I can run this ribbon. See if I can get it to run just a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's almost there. Come on. And I got one more little spot here. Huh. Okay. Come on. I just laid my arm in a blob of paint. Oh well, that's part of it, right? Huh. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna, where I have a little skinny. Where'd it go? Oh, maybe I threw it out. I don't know. That wasn't what I wanted to do. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. Clearly, you can make this swipe be wider or more narrow. That it's just going to be up to you. Okay, I think that's pretty much where I want that to be now. Work on the sides. I like this. This is just simple elegance, pretty colors. I think it's just pretty. So give this one a try, and I hope you'll let me know how it goes for you, and show me what you've done over on my new Facebook group. So pop on, the link is below. So pop on in and show me. I know that so many of you are so talented, and I'm in awe of you super talented people. Now, if you're starting out and you've got questions and you've been frustrated, I see that a lot. I see people post a lot about just being frustrated. If I were to show you my first pour, you'd wonder why I'm doing videos, probably. But I love doing this. I enjoy doing this. So if it's something you really want to pursue, keep doing it. I know one lady said she got frustrated. She was frustrated with people telling her, "Oh, just keep pouring." Well, basically, that is what you have to do. But I think this one will be a great one to start off. Something that not a lot of manipulating and stretching, which, that's part of the fun too. I like this. I was hopeful. And that's the other thing. There's a couple of different things. Sometimes you'll do something and exactly what you had in mind and it works. But then there's these things that I call happy accidents. And that's when all the stars align and your pour just speaks to you. So again, don't give up. Because if I can do this, you guys can do this. So just keep pouring. And again, let me share your paintings with me. I'd love to see what you're working on, what you're doing. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications. And don't forget the thumbs up. So until next time, keep pouring, and I'll see you then.